What's up, guys? It's Blake from Chasing Creative, and I want to give you 3 tips for content to scale your business. Tip number 1, it's as easy as going to Google and searching your product or service, especially if you're localized, an on-prem location, or have a physical location in an area. When you start typing in the city and then the product or service that you have, you'll be surprised what comes up. Tip number 2, go to answerthepublic.com and type in common keywords for your business. This will show you the questions that the public is asking on the internet, which allows you to create FAQs, blogs, video content, and even testimonials from your customers to pull out different phrases and keywords and the problems that they are trying to solve using your product or service. Tip number 3, it's actually just listening to your customers. Take those phone calls you have, take those in-person conversations and start to incorporate it into your actual marketing. You'll be surprised at how much this helps you grow faster and have fun while you're doing it.